Something strange has been found on Mars and NASA is scratching its head over it. What do we know so far? Have the robots found life? NASA asks the world for help in solving Mars mystery. The space agency made an unusual request. It asked the public to take a look at some rocks. Not just any rocks, but rocks that were found on Mars by its Curiosity rover. A new discovery from NASA's Mars rover Curiosity has left scientists puzzled. This is where the rover has been exploring for signs of ancient life. So how could anyone have punched a hole in this rock? NASA asks the world for help in solving Mars mystery. In the past, the space agency has held contests and competitions to engage the public in its mission to explore outer space. For example, in 2019, NASA held a competition to design a logo for the Mars 2020 mission. The winning design was chosen by a panel of judges, but the public had a chance to vote on their favorite submissions. To solve this mystery, NASA released this image online and asked people to take a look at it. They want to know what you think about this. As its website and social media channels, the space agency regularly posts images and videos from its rovers and other spacecraft, giving the public a glimpse of the latest discoveries and findings. We can't wait to see what the next chapter brings. See you next time. Is this a sign of life on Mars, or is there another explanation for this hole? From the Viking landers of the 1970s to the more recent rovers and orbiters, humans have been fascinated by the red planet. And with good reason. Mars is the most Earth-like planet in the solar system. It has a solid surface, a thin atmosphere, and evidence that it was once habitable. NASA asks the world for help in solving Mars mystery. With so many people interested in space exploration, it's no surprise that NASA is turning to the public for help. After all, it takes a lot of eyes to spot something that might otherwise go unnoticed. And who knows, maybe someone out there has the knowledge or experience to help scientists solve this Mars mystery. Could this be evidence of an extraterrestrial living on Mars? Or is there another explanation for this strange hole? But instead of finding fossils or something, the rover found something very strange, a shape in a rock that shouldn't be there. The search for life on Mars is one of the primary goals of the space agency's rovers exploring the planet. These missions have already made some incredible discoveries, including organic molecules, which are the building blocks of life as we know it. It looks like a small divot in the rock, almost as if someone had punched a hole in it. In fact, even NASA is asking for help from the public to try and figure out what this latest discovery means. It is a mystery that has puzzled experts and intrigued space enthusiasts around the world. Scientists are still trying to figure out how this hole could have formed, but they hope that further analysis will shed light on this phenomenon. Curiosity made this discovery back in April while exploring the mysterious Jezero crater. The shape of the hole is just not consistent with impact craters. It also does not seem likely that this hole was made by the rover itself. It is perfectly round and about 2 inches or 5 centimeters deep. The hole is about the same size as the tip of the rover's drill bit, but it is not a drill hole. The hole is much deeper than the diameter of the drill bit. But there's a catch. Curiosity has been exploring Mars since 2011, and in all this time, no human has ever set foot on the red planet. Scientists have already ruled out the possibility that this hole was made by a meteorite. So here's what we know so far about this mysterious hole. It was found in the Jezero crater on Mars by NASA's Curiosity rover. So far, scientists have been unable to determine how this hole was formed. What do you think? Let us know in the comments below. This is not the first time NASA has turned to the public for help. NASA also encourages the public to participate in its research through online platforms such. So what do you think? Let us know in the comments below. Exploring Mars has been one of the most exciting endeavors of the space age. As we continue to learn more about Mars, we come closer to answering one of humanity's most fundamental questions. Are we alone in the universe? Who knows what other secrets Mars is hiding? With so much to discover, the future of Mars exploration is bright. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates.